My name is Veda. What is your name? My name is Yashasvi. What is your name? My name is Samriti. What is your mother name? My mother name is Sunita. What is your mother? My name is Arti. What is your mother? What is your mother name? My mother name is Sati. What is your father name? My father name is Sanjay. What is your father name? My father name is Bhagwan. What is your father name? My father name is Vikram. What is your grandmother name? My grandmother name is Lakshmi. What is your grandmother name? No.
नाव विचारलंय, सांगू शकतेस ना नाव? आजीचं नाव. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट.
What is your grandmother name? My grandmother name is Nanibai. What is your grandfather name? My grandfather name is Amadat. What is your grandfather name is Shuna. What is your grandfather name is my grandfather name is Vasanta. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish lady finger. What is your favorite dish? Paneer. What is your favorite dish? My favorite dish is potato. What is your favorite color? My favorite color red. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What is your favorite color name? My favorite color is orange. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? My favorite English. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What is your, how are you? I am fine.
I am फाईन.
I am fine. How are you? How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am. What is your school name? My school name is ZP Primary School, Davos, Tirupati. What is your school name? ZP Primary School, Davos. What is your school name? My school name is ZP Primary School, Davos. What is your surname? My surname means what is your surname? My surname is Arve. What is your surname? My surname is Shinde. What is your favorite animal? My favorite animal's name is dog. What is your favorite animal's name? My favorite animal's name cat. What is your favorite animal's name? My favorite animal is cat. What is your favorite flower? My favorite flower name is gulab. What is your favorite flower name is? My gulab. My favorite gulab. What is your favorite flower name? My favorite flower name is sunflower. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit name is mango. What is your favorite fruit? Banana. What is your favorite fruit? My favorite fruit is
गुड.